Fucking skin. This is I'm like clean, bro.
I have a scar forever.
Forever. Oh my god. So we about to go in here and we about to see what they say. Did they do stitches? I never had stitches before.
Day 0. The day before you decide to enroll in school.
Like the hockey
Day 0.
No, those have the cheese on it. I don't know why. No, they don't got cheese on it. They just made, they don't got cheese on it.
Say hi.
It's hot fries.
Say hi.
No, it's hot fries. For real, it's hot fries. I eat hot fries every day.
Splash Dungeon.
I eat hot fries every day.
In our hands we have 3 red balls. And behind us we actually have this black shoe. Okay, so you guys don't know how to play it.
I eat hot fries every day.
The other person's
For
gonna
real, I eat hot fries every day.
if they hit it, the water's gonna
So how is supposed to know that? Because I eat hot fries like every day while I go to the store. For me.
Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.
What's your favorite? Guys, my favorite chip is hot fries. I did that like every single
We
day.
fill the floor ready.
Not okay.
You come over here.
What's my
and we
favorite
have the
chip?
water bucket.
Stop all you Yes, I do.
Alright, guys. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. To see who gets to go first, okay?
No.
Give me your full.
My
Okay, go
country
ahead.
grill.
Rock, paper,
Where's
scissors,
my
shoot. Oh, you guys both did this. Try again, okay?
It's a chip.
Rock,
Okay.
paper, scissors, shoot.
Who got that gun?
DJ got you, Kyrie.
Me or him?
We gotta stand under the water.
Okay, Kyrie, come right here and sit right here in the middle.
Okay. What?
So DJ, how many tries is we gonna get?
3.
DJ gonna get 3
Oh my God, come on. Okay, that's all day.
Think that's good?
What is my favorite chocolate? What's my favorite chocolate milk white chocolate?
Good luck, Kyrie.
You never told me that. Okay, we ain't got to ask you.
Kyrie got
Okay.
Now it's DJ time.
Chocolate
You
milk
ready?
white milk.
Alright guys, now it's time to fill the water back up. It's nice and
Don't you eat white milk?
DJ! Kyrie, DJ, you gonna splash DJ?
Yeah.
DJ, you think Kyrie gonna splash you? Or you
I'm
scared?
thinking white milk. No, chocolate milk.
Alright Kyrie, get 3 tries. Let's go!
My mom called you. My mom is in the room. Hello? Nothing.
No, Mama gotta go. Mama gotta go.
I have to know who gets to try to hit it. Both
I'm
of you?
playing with tomorrow. Wow.
Okay.
Alright, Kyrie,
my
you ready to go
grandma
first?
Yeah.
Mom, are you ready for this?
No, I'm not ready.
Alright, Kyrie, good luck. Get Mama.
Okay, bye. Okay,
Okay,
now time for my turn. I'm leaving because my finger is really cold.
How did you do
Okay,
that?
okay. Oh my God. What's my favorite type of phone?
I do.
What's your
Mama got a
favorite
fan?
type of
No.
phone?
Mama got a fan.
That I really want.
You think you gonna get
Phone
one?
that I really want, but I don't have.
I think he's gonna get me, guys. I believe in him.
Kyrie, you think you gonna
Yeah, I got points.
I believe in
At least we got one right.
So, alright, ready to get set, go. Get
We
Mama.
got one right. That is my turn.
Alright,
Okay, so
go for it, buddy.
come here. I gotta do it. Okay, now it's my turn.
Yo, Kyrie, how did you
Stop. It's my turn, girl.
DJ, you think you're gonna get daddy? Yeah.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Think you're gonna get daddy? No. You don't think so?
I don't think none of them get that. Y'all get none of them.
What's your favorite? No. Okay, it's my turn. What's my favorite song?